world.
Let go of it. Drop it.
So this is the tumbler video. This is what happens when you roll your cord out and you find out it had been repaired before the wrong way. Now we'll do it the right way.
All right, so what we're doing now is we're right in the middle of repairing a cord that you're not supposed to repair. But we're going to do it anyway. Our extension cord got cut in half. And we're going to fix it the best we can. With a little solder. And a little flux. I don't know if you're supposed to use flux on this or not, but I used it.
Well, it's clearing off. I can see the sky.
Yeah, right in the middle of the video.
I need to resolder that piece right there.
Yeah, it looks like it, because you know what I didn't do?
What?
I didn't shove them too far enough. You know what? Let's do this. When I tell you to, pull the wire apart.
Okay. So you want me to
No, you know we're not gonna pull that wire apart. Don't even worry about it. We're attempting to solder these wires together. Alright, need to rotate it.
and I'll pick the box?
No, it's already done. Hold the wire. I want one more spot, then I'm good with this one.
Okay.
Hold it right there.
Like that?
Yep.
I see that little bare spot right there.
Twist it back towards you, Joe.
Is that good?
Yep.
Yeah, we should probably make less of a
Twist it
bead.
back towards me. All right. Yeah, we only got one problem with this. That shrink to fit will not go up over that. You see how I created a big knot right there in the middle?
Yeah.
It won't work. It won't happen. It's out of the question.
So we'll have to.
I'll have to tape this one.
Okay. I mean, you got-
And I wasted this. Matter of fact, this has already got hot and shrank on that end right there. Do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
It won't even come off now. And you can't split a shrink to fit. You can't split it and then put it on something else and try to use it. It doesn't work.
You want me to go grab the electrical tape?
I have some right here.
Okay. I guess we shouldn't do such a big bead next time.
No, I got to put another size fit on it.
Okay.
Of course.
Here, I'll hold it.
No, it's I can't explain it. Just you can't do it like that. It's too hard.
Okay.
So I got this off camera. Here we're back on. So we're going to do it this way. It's not the way, you can hold it now, Joe.
Okay.
It's not the way I wanted it, but it's the way it is. We're not on an OSHA job, so I'm not worried about it. All right, so that's that one. Now we're going to do it right. Probably that, right?
Yeah, that looks good.
That's going to have to go up there like that. I want it all the way up. So this one's going to be harder, and it has to be done. So you're going to have to get in here, and we're going to have to make it work, okay?
All right, we'll have to connect that one like that.
So I'll leave this back. Yeah, there's going to be an extra here, and that's what I didn't want. This is probably not going to fit now. It's all right.
It might.
It's all right. I'm just going to cut this. No, I can't cut this in half. Cut it down like that. It's going to have to be shorter than because that other one melted down, you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the little round tub of stuff I had?
It's right there.
No.
Oh, a little round tub. That. Should I like glue it together or something?
It's flux. It helps the solder. It helps the solder set, I guess. Ain't it, Dad? All right. There you go. I want them up like that.
Don't hear that at your house, do you, Joe?
Is that good to hold it like that?
Yep. Can you do that?
Mm-hmm. Sure can. Might want to get
Problem
that.
is, I need you up here closer, like here.
Oh, closer?
Yeah.
Here, let me.
Put your fingers where mine are.
Mm-hmm.
Put your fingers where mine are. And watch this.
Mm-hmm.
I need it in there like that. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Then don't move it. You just moved it. I need it right there like that.
Okay.
See, if you flux this right, if you put this flux on here right,
Mm-hmm.
and you operate this right,
Mm-hmm.
it'll sink right on through because of the flux is in there. The flux pulls this in.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what you got? You're doing good. Oh, what you got? Let go. Now look at the bottom. This has to be kept up like this. Now what I need you to do, you're not going to bend it down, you're going to bend it up. It has to stay up like that.
I'm trying.
I know. Go. Hold me right there.
Right there. Look out.
Going to.
We should have went ahead and did it right there. But that's cool.
No, you're right. I should have went ahead and did it right there.
There's a come Joe.
My house must have burned down.
All right, now the hard part.
Getting that over that.
I smell smoke from that soldering gun.
It ain't never going to happen.
It looks like it did happen. Want me to hold one side?
I want you to touch it in there and tell me where the joint is.
Right there.
Okay, I want more. Where's the joint?
Right there.
I like to get it right down here. Where's the joint?
Right there.
It don't look like it's moving anymore, so let's just hold that up right there. All right, turn it towards me. Turn it back towards you.
Well,
I hold it again. I still don't think it's as tight as it should be.
it looks like you hit it more on that side.
I ain't gonna burn you. Hold it.
Yeah, I know. Oh, does it shut off after a period of time?
With this? Yeah, when you take your finger off this button, it's supposed to shut off immediately, but there you go. All right, there it is. It's together. Guess we'll plug it in. I'll let Joe plug it in. See if it pops or not. He should know. I'm gonna plug it in right here. So what we'll do is
Let the soldering gun
Yeah.
heat down
we'll unplug the soldering gun.
and get that all untangled.
Then we'll plug in. Hand me the other end of that, Joe. We're just going to test it.
Right there.
So we'll plug in the cord we just worked on.
Might want to get it away from your camera phone.
And then I'm going to plug in the soldering gun into what we just worked on. There's the fix. And if we have a light, then we have power. And we have our light. And it's not arcing. So, what do you think, Joe?
I think it looks pretty good.
All right. Well,
Also not.
you know what that is, right?
What's that?
That's a simple man, simple life,
Simple
simple solder.
fix.
A simple fix.